I am so excited to see what is going on inside this. I really hope beautiful agate. Okay, so this agate right here, you can see it's got a window right here. And it's got a window right there. Similar colors. I am hoping that is what is going on the inside. Let's peek. Oh, not what I expected, but good gosh, that is so pretty. I love how the color just fades around and it's so vibrant over here. That is really, really cool. Really interesting right there. It's even got right here, just part of like, I wouldn't say it's a geode pocket, but a natural little cavity there. Just a little void. Wow. That is super, super cool.